While everybody tried to long this rally up, I shorted Bitcoin and I'm still holding it. I just closed my other short position with profit and I'm just going to leave this for now because I just got that short right at top, only 200 less than the top that we just made for BTC, okay? And I've been updating you guys on Telegram group. All the links are in description. Also, we're going to talk about SMP. I hadn't covered this for a while. Also, we're going to talk about how freaking bullish USDT dominance is looking. And you guys need to know that USDT is literally showing you where BTC is going. And one of you guys commented it's a very interesting view that a lot of people are having, which unfortunately doesn't match my logic, but I'm just going to explain what his comment was. He was just saying, and it's fine, you have your opinion, I respect that, okay? But somebody said, why are you so much into USDT? Because USDT follows BTC like the others. And my answer is going to be, which I exactly actually I'm going to repeat whatever I put there, but I want to share this with you guys so you guys know about that too. USDT is the stable coin. USDT is the fiat. USDT is the money that needs to get into the crypto you are holding other than the stable coins to pump your coins, right? I just made the joke to him and I said, you're not gonna push BTC higher with your muscles. You need USDT. You need any fiat that gets into BTC and trades back in. And just because, and I've said it before, because we are talking about percentage, the percentage shows that how much USDT is rising, how much of the total money getting into stable coins. And I've showed you how similar the USDT looks to USDC. If you guys do not trust USDT, because some exchanges are removing USDT pairs, but I'm going to show you guys USDC as well, because just to show you guys how similar they look. Here you go. And this is your USDC. Tell me if this looks different than USDT. Just tell me if this move for USDC dominance looks different than USDT. This is exactly the same look where I said just not 100%, but 95%, I would call it that they look very similar. This red candle that I showed you, exactly I called the top. I said, I'm not sure 100% how much of this USDT is going to pump BTC. It might go some in altcoins, so I cannot really guess exactly the top. But 73,000, once I saw that, with little bit of loss, I closed my short position that I opened around $71,000 and opened the other one, which I am still holding it. Okay, so that is the reason, because I am trusting what I'm seeing in USDC, and it can tell you literally that what is going on here. And if we guys, I am again repeating this, if we pass this red candle, if we close anything even on the same level, not below it, we need to see anything close below this red candle to just still be hopeful that we're gonna go back down for USDC, okay? Or if we close almost within this body, the same level, we're gonna go higher. An opposite correlation for new viewers. A lot of you guys do not understand the opposite correlation. If USDT or USDC going up, that means BTC is going down. Literally just flip this and you will see BTC is sharp, literally. Okay, so I'm just saying that you guys need to understand the logic behind why I am following USDC and USDT, mostly USDT, because USDT has a bigger market cap and has a lot of pairs for it. Okay, USDC is a little bit newer, but again, you guys see literally they are the same thing. Okay, so if we pass and break above, guys, if we do not hold and start going lower, which will be if we go lower for this, We're going to see BTC going back up, but I do not really think so. Okay. So again, the next target would be almost 1.63% for USDC dominance. Okay. So because I'm looking at that, but I'm just going to go back to USDT because I'm more comfortable with that. There you go. I'm just going to show you how similar they look. Okay. Again, I called this, the reason was I was calling this red candle to hold USDT, and anywhere that BTC would hit that price, that would be the top for BTC and bottom for USDT was because of this red candle. And you guys see how sharp it has been going up. And you guys know already, I think you guys have already this line for yourself. You guys see that we broke below. Fake out confirmed. I have been showing you guys in this channel before we even went to close to all-time high. I said we're gonna go to at least 71,500 ish, and then we have to see where we're gonna hit that red line for the stable coin USDT dominance, and that was the top for BTC. Okay, and since then we have been dropping, and that's why I am very confident that I'm gonna still hold my short position. Okay, so we're going to talk about S&P 500 also. We're going to look at the election years, and we're going to look at return in November, the election month. We're going to look at every 4 years that we have our election, what happened and how many percentage we were high or down, and we're just going to talk about it. Okay, so please make sure that you like this video right now, because YouTube will only know that this video is good to push it to more people if you guys like the video. So please make sure to like it. It's not costing you anything, it's just the tap. Okay, so thank you so much. And Ethereum, and again, you guys see that Ethereum BTC pair, it is still looking bearish down to this level. Again, I am expecting we can go down to this level. That will be the lowest point. I'm expecting Ethereum BTC hopefully to stay there and start going higher, and that will be bullish for altcoins. And I'm expecting to go back above almost 0.045. Okay, so it will be around this area which we had this high before, so that will be my first target. But again, I'm still expecting to go lower for Ethereum BTC pair. And I'm going to say that I said we can still be bearish as long as we're not breaking above this level for total 3. This is just altcoins, no Bitcoin, no Ethereum. Okay, the reason I'm only looking at total 3 and not total 2, total 2 is only BTC out, Ethereum, and everything else. That's total 2. But total 3 is Ethereum and BTC excluded and everything else, because I am not holding Ethereum and I do not really care about Ethereum. Maybe you like it, good for you. Okay, I'm not against holding Ethereum. Okay, I know a lot of people are Ethereum maxis, like BTC maxis. There's nothing wrong with that, but as I said, I am expecting altcoins to go back down, so more downside is coming for altcoins. I'm still holding my 90% altcoins. Okay, so I am on this with you. So again, I am okay either way. If we go down, I will make money with this short position, and if we go up for altcoins and start the rally for altcoins, which I have been showing you guys with BTC dominance, that we are very close. I would give it another month that hopefully we're going to maximum just go sideways and start crashing. Okay, so we're going to most likely see 1 or 2 months of sideways where this is the resistance, literally. Okay, so this resistance, I am not expecting to go higher than this level. That's why I'm gonna just leave this. I have been showing you since we were here. I kept saying that within these 2 lines, we're gonna probably just go up and down, and the max that the target I was looking for was between 60 to 65%, but 62 to 63% would be more realistic. Okay, so these are what I'm looking at. And again, altcoins can go lower, so expect that we can go lower for altcoins. So all my links are in here, and please watch this video and see whatever I said and what happened. Okay, so this is just for you. You are watching a free video, so these are out there for you. Okay, so let's look at S&P 500 and see that what we can do with this gap and where is the support that I'm expecting. Okay, so we have seen this drop and then Today we have this green. We tried to go higher, but before it even filled this gap for S&P 500, we started going lower for S&P. So I am still expecting we can give it a scenario that we can. Let me tell you that what are the possibilities. We can go for after Sunday, Monday can go higher. We can have a small rally and then go towards this level. But eventually, even if this doesn't happen, we can straight go down to it. Okay, so that is what one of the two scenarios is gonna still take us down to this level. These two tops I am expecting to have a little bit of support. But guys, if we break this very strong, that means it is everything is in trouble. We are in trouble. I am just telling you that support. This is almost the price that we can go still another $100 down for S&P 500, which can drag BTC with it lower, but this gap is going to eventually get filled. Okay, but I want to show you what happened before after very huge pullback for S&P 500 a long time ago. We had this gap, right? I'm going to zoom in, so pay attention that the gaps do not have to be filled right away. Okay, we can wait a long time. So I'm just going to put this line to show you that we had a gap in here, right? You see, between this green and this red candle, we have this gap. Gap meaning that when we have a gap, price has to go back up or down to fill this eventually. Okay, but you can wait for some of the gaps a lot longer than the others to be filled. So this area, we kept seeing that S&P 500 kept going down, and I'm going to show you guys how much lower S&P 500 went. It went 9% lower before it started to go back up to exactly fill that gap. Okay, you guys can see it. So 10% is a pretty good percent for a lot of people, especially stock market, right? So even if we just say that we're going to keep going down 10%, that will take us easily back to 5,200, 271, which that would scare the heck out of a lot of people. I'm going to put this line with the price in here so you can see it better right here. Okay, so this line, guys, around this level is going to scare a lot of people, because S&P 500, if it drops that much lower, it's going to scare a lot of people. So we're talking a huge pullback, which S&P 500 had not done it for a long time. Okay, hasn't done it for a long time. Okay, since we started going higher, this was the gap I was talking about around this area. And we kept going higher. I'm not sure how many percentage this was, but it's not that. It's almost 9% again. Yeah, so 9% looks like S&P 500 likes to really do 9% exactly before going higher. So imagine what that can do to BTC and everything else. Okay, so this is just realistic thought, and if this doesn't make sense to you guys, I am just requesting to leave this channel forever. Okay, kindly, because you literally do not understand what is going on in this market. So again, now I am still expecting more downside for BTC and more upside for USDT. Okay, if today's candle that opened almost 3 hours ago, if we close anything above this red candle or almost to the same level, not below this body where it is right now, I am gonna call for higher percentages for USDT dominant, as that's gonna be very bearish for BTC. Okay, and so let's just talk about the election. So in 2024, that we're gonna have the election in like almost 3 days. In 2020, 2016, let's just look at the BTC the November return. Okay, so in 2024, we do not know what's going on. Let's go look at 2020. 2020 had 42%, almost 43%. It is great. It is great for BTC. Okay, and if we go back to 16, we had only 5%. Okay, so, and let's just go back to 12. I don't think 12 would really. I don't know. It's not even showing that 2012. So we can only look at 2 years, two last elections, and that shows that one of them gave us a really good return and the other one only gave less than 6%. Okay, so do not count on the election month that much. Okay, so I just have to be realistic here. I am not biased. I just look at the data and just opening your eyes. If you do not want to open your eyes, just do not, please, please. A lot of YouTubers are just shilling you a lot of coins. A lot of people, a lot of these YouTubers are selling you links. Please do not get fooled. A lot of these YouTubers told you to buy Bitcoin, BTC keeps going lower, okay? It does not mean that somebody has a lot of followings and shows you a lot of cars and everything. That doesn't mean that they are telling you the truth, or if they even have the knowledge to tell you the truth. Please be careful. And I really want you to watch this video. I just found this guy. I'm not even subscribed to him, but it just came on my feed. And please, I really want you guys to watch this guy's video, this video particularly, okay? This video is very important for the scammers, for the YouTubers who shill you coins. And I want you guys to watch the whole thing. It is very valuable. And I think that this guy talks about facts. And I really want you guys to watch this, okay? I'm gonna put the link in the description or in the comment section. Make sure you watch this video after this video, which I'm already done. But thank you guys for watching. Share this video. Please make sure that you have liked this video. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.